if you want to charge your Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then the only way to do so is by using the USB cable. Unfortunately, the phone does not support wireless charging, so if you have a wireless charger, you cannot really use it in order to charge your Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. Now, with the USB cable, you can connect your phone to pretty much anything that allows you to charge any device by using the USB port. Of course, the perfect choice, the most optimal one, is going to be a power adapter. This is usually the fastest way to charge the phone. And in my case, I can just connect the cable to the power adapter, and then we plug it in into the power socket. There we go. And then we just connect the cable to the phone, and there we go. Now we are charging the phone. Pretty simple. Now, of course, if you don't have a power adapter just yet, then you can use other alternatives. You can use different stuff, essentially anything that can be charged with a USB cable, anything that allows you to charge something with USB cable. So this can be your laptop or PC, although it is usually pretty slow, so I don't really recommend it using it to charge the phone unless you have to. You can use a power bank, you can use your car, and yeah, so anything works in that case. And that is all. Leave a like and subscribe.